Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper on a Friday, February the 5th, 2021, we have here a binary puzzle. Yes, this will be number 2281. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1 here and O there, no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then. Yeah. And now, let me see. Do I need to compare? I think we need to compare with this column and that column. 1, 1. Empty box. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two numbers. Oh, no. The wrong column. These two numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then need to compare again. That's the question. Alright. 101. Do we have 101 here? No. Where is the opening? The opening. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah, I need to compare 10. Yes, this row and the last row. 1, 1, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. With comparing twice, yes. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.